G'day guys, it's Jake here. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate the arbitration users in Exchange 2016 when you cannot get to the database. So at the moment what I've done is just simulated a database corruption or something, so you can see this one's dismounted. So if I try to delete it, it's going to give me this error that there is still mailboxes on the database. So as you can see, get mailbox, the database. So what I'll do is open up this Exchange PowerShell and I'll do get, we'll run this command out of here, which is get mailbox database, and that will list out the two databases which we've got. So you can see we've got DB2 and DV1. So if I go get mailbox out of the database DB2, it's going to list these two accounts which are on there. So if I just, let's first move those accounts because they're obviously not going to work. So if we disable these accounts, that's going to remove the email mailbox without deleting the user. If you hit the delete button, that will actually get rid of the whole user. As you can see, it's telling me that that database isn't mounted to the server, but it's removed the association with it. If we actually deleted that, that would delete the user. So don't use this button, disable. And what we'll do, just to make sure those email users can still send and receive email, is add a new user mailbox to an existing user. So let's add the administrator. Now if we do this, it'll show that we've got no users on there. But even though we've got no users, it's still not going to let us delete that database, even though there's no users. But what we can do is see if the actual arbitration mailboxes are there. Arbitration, and you can see there's 3 arbitration users still available. If we do this, that's going to list the arbitration users that are still on that database. So it still thinks they're there, but the database doesn't exist anyway. So to get around this and recreate them, what we can do is actually open up, I'll open up my domain controller.